come here. Do you guys want to come on a sneak peek of the learning journey behind the curtain? Let's go. This is the dashboard page. This is where all the action happens for our members, and if they want to get to anything, they're going to be able to do it from here. As you can see, we've got a bunch of stuff going on. Newest uploads. We have 18 pages of newest uploads, and this isn't even all of them. This is just since I revamped the little website here. Every month we do a critique. Every month we do a Q&A or a community connect session. Every month there's like a new lesson of some description, and we usually do some kind of other live event, plus the fortnightly edit and chill sessions. If you scroll down, you can see you can choose a topic. So if you decide you want to learn, if you just want to jump into an editing tutorial, you can find them all there. You can scroll even further down and get into the learning stages. And then you can really get into the learning itself based on where you're at in your own personal journey, because it really is about you moving at your own speed, dedicating some time to learning, moving progressively through. Of course, you can jump around if you're like, well, I want to learn about the exposure triangle, but also I really want to learn about location. You can move between stages. You're not stuck in one stage. You can access all of this immediately when you first join. And then we have the challenges as well. These are totally optional, but they're a really fun way for you to step outside of your comfort zone, develop your portfolio, build new technical skills, build new editing skills. And you get cute little prizes if you complete certain numbers of challenges. There's always new ones of these coming as well, but these are the ones we have at the moment. And I wanted to jump you over to the editing tutorial section because I know people are really interested in this, even though I'm such a firm believer that editing isn't everything. That's why you have all the other information to get your photos right in camera, to be setting up the stories, telling things about the personality in camera before you get to editing. But since everybody loves an editing tutorial, this is what you've got access to. Now, the interesting thing here is that you start off with these tutorials plus I think 2 or 3 or 4 others from the other stages, the beginning stage and the creating stage. You start off with these ones. This one is my whole process, my rationale, why I do what I do and how I do it. This is a super in-depth tutorial and generally answers the question of how would I edit a photo where blah? How would I edit this scenario? How would I edit that scenario? The answer is pretty much in this. So this is one of the most valuable tutorials I think you can have access to. Then you have some others, and also the ones in beginning and creating. And then every month that you're a member, you get access to 2 more tutorials. You can see here's the timeline, and we're adding new ones all the time as well. So you're constantly going to be getting access to new tutorials, new things. We do live editing sessions together as well. And don't let me forget the most important thing, which is our community. So this is kind of how it looks here. You can see we've got posts, we've got people sharing things, asking questions, sharing what they're up to. Everybody is super supportive. It's really lovely. There's a whole heap of different styles here, issues with Photoshop, different, we've got action photos, we've got backlight, everything, horses. You're not restricted to doing things my way in my learning journey. I really encourage you to find your own way with your photography on your own journey, developing your own style and really finding what you love. Sabrina and I are in the community answering questions, giving you feedback, offering you support, and really everybody in here is absolutely amazing. And that is pretty much what's waiting for you if you are thinking about joining. Obviously, I've gone through this really quickly because there's literally hundreds of lessons in there and I can't click through them all individually. And of course, we have all of our live events and stuff that is coming up in the future that I am super excited about. So you're definitely not going to want to miss what is coming up in the learning journey. And obviously, the longer you're a member, the more tutorials you have access to and the more new things you get, the deeper you get involved in the community. And yeah, it's really a great place to be. And I'm super proud of it. And just amazed by the supportiveness of our members. So I really hope that you're going to be joining us. If you have any questions at all, just hit reply to this email and I will be more than happy to answer them. I really don't like doing a big salesy spiel, but I do stand by and believe in the value of what I've built in the learning journey, the lessons, the videos, the tutorials, the community, the challenges. I'm trying to give everybody different ways of learning because I know that we don't all learn by watching videos. We don't all learn by reading text. I am speaking really quickly right now because I don't want this video to take 3 hours. So if you are a non-English native speaker, I promise I go slower in most of my lessons because I have more time to explain things and slow down and make sure that it's understandable for everybody. Any questions, let me know. I really hope to see you in the learning journey when it opens. We're really looking forward to welcoming you in our community as well.